How to book Grab in advance in Malaysia in 2023. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to book Grab in advance in Malaysia in 2023. To make advance booking through Grab, you have to follow my steps. So first of all, what you need to do is enter locations and select later. After that, enter your desired date and time. And once you're done, just select Just Grab. Tap to schedule Just Grab to confirm your ride. You don't even need to keep track of your advance booking. You will be notified with your driver's details when it's time for your booked ride. If you follow the steps, it will help you book Grab in advance. Check out our video on how to change Grab location. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified for new videos. See you in the next one.